got me. Bruh, when I tell you the amount of compassion that people have today, it's not there.
Nope.
We get information that we can't keep silent.
Right.
Our husband has been through everything.
Yep.
Costa Rica,
Yep.
Mexico, Panama, everywhere, Georgia. And he turned that camera on and he tell you, he let you know exactly what's going on.
Thanks.
Yesterday we got information that Eligio was four niggas jumped on him nowhere. And we couldn't go.
Him?
Are you kidding me?
Hey, y'all, I'm gonna just let you talk.
Sorry.
Because it's a lot.
Damn,
it
it's
touched
a
our
lot.
heart, bruh.
Yep.
Yo, that shit touched
Feel
our
that
heart,
shit,
yo.
though. Feel
Feel
that
that shit though, y'all.
Let that
What
sit
he
on
going through?
Yeah.
He innocent. Our husband is innocent, and he up in there like he really locked down, incarcerated, like a person that actually committed a crime.
That's so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
He ain't commit no crime. He ain't do nothing to nobody. He ain't got a girl. He got girls. Girls. First of all, phone right here.
Come on.
He got a damn body. The fuck? Come on now. Come on now. I'm gonna just let you
Yesterday,
talk, cause
what we did was when we heard the news.